Call today for free measuring and estimates.
The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for all of North Dakota beginning at 2:05 p.m. and ending at 3:05 p.m. An Amber Alert is being issued by NDHP and NDBCI at the request of 3 affiliated tribes law enforcement. On August 24, 2022, at 1:19 p.m. Amirae Driver is believed to have been abducted from Mandaree, ND. Amirae is described as a 3-year-old Native American, female. She is 3 feet tall, weighs 40 pounds and has brown hair and brown eyes. Amirae may be with Myron Cody Johnson, who may be driving a white 2014 Chrysler Town and Country van with North Dakota license plate 983BBG. The van is front end damage and damage to the rear liftgate. Myron is described as a 45-year-old Native American.
And on Monday,